BI. So we have decided to meet you para alam niyo lahat ng nangyari. We have here our ASEC from DOJ, ASEC Michael Clavano. We have the BI Commissioner Norman Tansinko, sir, at si Melvin Mahula from Immigration. Okay, so good morning, good afternoon sa inyong lahat. Okay, so alam naman natin ang topic. We have Sheila Guo and Cassandra Ong in our custody. Okay. Kahapon, tinurn over ng Indonesian immigration sa immigration and NBI agents na nandun sa Indonesia at naibalik nga silang dalawa dito sa atin. So charges were filed against them on the part of the Bureau of Immigration. Na-inquest na po sila last night. Sir, yung charges natin.
Magandang hapon sa ating lahat. We already conducted an inquest on Sheila Guo for immigration violation, and the charge is on the misrepresentation as a Filipino citizen, fraudulently acquired Philippine passports because meron siyang Chinese passport also that we were able to get nung mahuli siya sa Indonesia. Again, hingi ako ng pasensya. There are details that I cannot divulge kasi involved dito ang Indonesian immigration na wala tayong consent na isali sila sa discussion natin. We need to get that consent also kahit mga pangalan nila hindi natin. But essentially, we coordinated when we heard of the information. We immediately coordinated with counterparts, not only in Indonesia but Malaysia and Singapore. Sumulat po ang immigration, sumulat ako sa kanila in addition sa informal lines natin. Formal request that if encountered, take custody and turn over to Philippine immigration.
Mayor Alice Guo ay sabi niya magpapalusot sila ng investigasyon at merong